Guys, ganito lang ako gagawa ng Venturi guys. Propane Venturi that 1 inch tas 2 inch reducer. So wini-weld ko lang siya dyan ng ganyan guys. Kung makikita nyo, nagbutas lang ako ng flat bar, nilagyan ko ng butas, tapos nilagyan ko ng lock. Tapos yan yung i-weld ko guys. Bigyan ko kayo ng idea after mo gumawa ng Venturi. This is my DIY Venturi guys. Ngayon, puputulin mo yung pipe. Depende sa length na kailangan mo. Tapos yung ilaw, turn it on. Ito yung special drill, walker talker. And then, simply, gagamitan mo lang siya ng drill, turn it on. Yan ang butas na yan guys. Yan ang secret size ng butas ni Tolits. Alam na this. Para dito guys.
Best.
Guys, let's test it out. That's how you find out your weld. There's no leak. If there's a flame, there's a leak on your weld. Look, there is no leak. So this is the Venturi. This is the stainless hose that comes with this one. Alright guys, I'm selling $449 guys. $449 the whole set. Just give me the length you want. Blue flame guaranteed. That comes with the hose, with the Venturi. And then with the high pressure hose. Stainless steel, and then that's pretty much it guys. Look at that, blue flame, that's the perfect combustion guys, not the yellow one. Para sa mga Pilipino gustong mag-convert from charcoal to propane burner guys, $449 guys. Kasama to Venturi. Hindi mo na kailangan i-adjust guys, kasi kinuha ko na yung perfect na butas nito, compatible to yung hangin na papasok guys. Pinag-aralan ko na yan. May sikreto yan sa number ng butas. Yan, kasama yung stainless hose, may knob, tapos guaranteed blue flame guys, both side. Okay, sobrang init yan guys. Let me know. Yan ang flame yan guys. Blue flame talaga, solid.